motivational video for the youth who is very confused at the stage of his career. When you get out of your college and when you have finished your college, then there are several questions that come in your mind. That is in form of what to do right now, either job or further study or go for a business. And it is very similar issue with everyone. No one is exception at this age. So everyone wants better life, better world, better money, better family and everything. So the process starts from here, that you should be clear about your goal. Whatever you have studied, whatever you gain in your life, and whatever you have chosen in your life, and whatever you have your dream, think about that and mark out the step how to achieve your goal. If you don't have the idea about your dreams, you can try on Google and search out the procedures. There are many blogs in the Google that can really help you. So start from there to recognize your goal first of all. What is your goal? Are you going for job? Or are you going to take a startup? Or are you going to involve in your family business? It's all depend on you, whatever you want. You can also do your further study, postgraduate. And whatever you have your aim, just focus on it. Don't listen to anybody. Listen to your heart. Whatever you say, whatever you think, and whatever you have around you. Career is nothing but it is a goal that gives you satisfaction, that gives you money, that gives you perfection, and it will come after your hard working, after your sacrifice. What sacrifice? It's sacrifice of your personal enjoyment. Because at initial stage, if you are going for a job, you should prepare for interview, for GD, etc. to get a better marks between all of your colleagues who is also in the same interview. So there is always a competition in everything, either in job or in a startup. So choice is yours. First of all, choose what you want. Then after, list down the step, how you can get that, who will help you, what suggestion you need, and try to contact with the concerned person. Don't blow it to every person that you are going to do this, you are very confused, you also want that thing, and oh, you also want that goal. So don't leave a message to everybody that you are very confused. You keep your secrets inside your heart and mark out the step for whatever goal you have chosen. And after that, you start one by one. For example, for startup, if you are going for a website or you are going for a software, first of all, you recognize your, the website, which type of website you need, which types of software you need, and what's the demand of that thing in the market. You also need to consider that, because Because if you providing that software and there is no need of such software, then what happen? You will demoralize and you think that startup is fake, it is nothing. Whatever you want, you you are not getting that thing. So try to focus on the necessity of your society, necessity of your country, of your state. Whatever they have, you choose career in only that thing. Then you must have some demand for that product. So you can easily expand your business. If you have produced a thing which no one needs, then there is no price for such thing. Even you have given lots of time and makes lots of effort to make it. So always try to make that thing whatever they have demand in the market. Not of like startup everything they have made, and at the time of funding there are lots of issues because everyone judging the demands of that product in the market. Investor is not a dull person. He has knowledge of everything. They have the knowledge of everything. They have several startups. They have gained over a period from other people. They have lots of failure people. There are also lots of success people. So investor always choose successful person. Why they will invest in unsuccessful business? That there is no demand of such product. So we are talking about the career. So let's come back and talk about again on another option for job. You at the time of your college, you thinking that job is very easy, you can get that. But thing is not like that, because there are lots of competition in interview also. There are lots of intelligent people who is also willing to do same job. Then what do you do? If you are not intelligent but you are good, you have some certain skill, you can do everything whatever you want, but you are not intelligent, you can't solve a question within a second, but of course you can solve any question. So it's a preparation. You need to prepare for interview. You need to make a habit for interview. You can choose mirror and you can talk on certain matters again and again, and after you contact with your friend at same age, at same college, with same destination, and discuss about that like a GD. And after few days discussion, you automatically realize that you are capable to talk with the people and you are capable to crack a GD. So it's a matter of preparation, it's a matter of effort, it's a matter of hard working, it's a matter of recognition of your career and the steps associated with your career. So start from there, list down the steps for getting a job, collect different issues that currently running in our country, and that will really help you in GD, because current topic is always there in GD. And then after what? Interview. Interview is nothing but it's your, you can say it, facing of some unknown person and facing some unknown question that you never expect that what they will ask to you. Of course, there is nothing more than your syllabus. It's just a courtesy. Are you capable to talk with the people? Are you capable to convince them? That's why interviewer come and take your interview. Only to know that whether you can convince them or not. And we are talking about the third opportunity at college life is further study. If you are going for further study without knowing that what you want, then it's worthless. Because you need to set a goal for further study. What do you want? Are you willing to be a lecturer? Are you willing to be a scientist or something else that need further study? Then choose your career first of all. See the consequences. What will happen after some years? Will you get the same thing whatever you want right now? That's the fact. And prepare for that. And if you are going on the right track, then no one can stop you from getting that. And another most important fact is you must be a loyal person to yourself in all of your career. You don't lie with yourself. Whatever you have qualities, whatever you have strength, whatever you have weaknesses, you must know that. You must recognize it to get over of that. To take position of a stand, to make a habit of your stand, to practice on your weaknesses. And after all, you will definitely get to your goal. And fourth career is choosing your family business if you have. And if your family business is already on the top position, then what you can do further? Nothing. Because it is already on top position. You can maintain that heights. And you should practice for that. How you can maintain that height. Because competition and technology is changing day to day. And there are lots of competition. And competition increasing day by day. So, you need to know about your competitors. You need to know demands of your product or services of your family business. Whether it will increase in future or whether it will be down in future. If you have seen or if you have a dream that it will fall, then diversify it. So that after that level, you have another business at the same level. So you will never suffer. So this is the few things I have told you, but it is not exactly, it is vary from person to person. And it is vary for people to people. Circumstances is always different in every cases. No one is same. So try at your best level. Recognize yourself. Be loyal to yourself. Trust yourself. Don't be the same. Be better. That's why you choose yourself to be there on top position of your career. So let's enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.